Naka-play na na. Naka-play na na.
Let's welcome the fruity Aralo Pasi.
Teacher attire.
Sikyo. Ikaw sunod ha?
Ah, sige.
Play na to lang.
Go! Sige na! Ah!
I almost 30 years obeying a security guard. Nothing that changed with me. My only dream is to fulfill the dream of mine. Only daughter Lucia. Lucia, come here.
Lucia pa.
Father,
I want to say something about you.
what father?
About you. Is it okay?
My great father is taller than you. It's very high.
Thank you so much for that. I do all the things so that I can support you, my son.
Yes, father, I will do my best to do my duty over the country.
Remember this, that
Kana, sikyo, skinny.
Ang paa.
Understand?
Lunas
Yes,
pa.
father, I will do it to my mind.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, father.
Si Lucia.
Uy,
Ayaw
bundak pa
ni
yun,
si
ba?
Lucia.
Bundak yung mic.
Oh.
Mike!
Palpak.
Hello? Sweet?
Yes, sweet.
Where are you now?
I'm here in your house.
Hello, I'm Belen Park. I'm waiting for you. You know this is our favorite place.
Yes, coming, sweet, coming, I'm coming.
Come in. Please. Hurry up. I'm waiting for you.
Yung music?
Hurry up.
Sweet, I miss you so much. Sweet. Sweet.
Sweet.
It's been a long
Ano
time.
gamon?
What? What are you talking about? You know I miss you.
Me too. I miss you. Sweet, I love you.
I love you too.
Sweet, I love you, sweet.
What's that, sweet?
My father don't know when to have a relationship with you because you want me to finish my study, my dreams.
Do not worry your fathers. Worry about our feelings, our hearts.
Sweet, you really love me, sweet.
I love you too, sweet.
I love you too. Let's dance.
Music!
Ouch.
Wala pa na ito. Ouch! Wala pa gani.
Ah, sige, sige.
Ouch!
I'm so nervous.
Wala yan.
My father will really hurt me if you know I care not. If you not think, I better than say it.
Thermometer.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous.
Thermometer. Sa ilong yung butang. Wala ba na yung pite?
I better get on my sweet. Sweet.
Hello, sweet. What's happened to you?
Mas habit ba yun?
What?
Okay, I have something to tell you very important. Please come.
Wait for me. What do you promise, sweet?
Nagsalubot yamon. Tinawag yamon.
Yo.
Go.
Secure yung papa.
Is that my daughter now? It's okay. Come here.
Full face na.
Father, what? What have something to tell you?
I know that you're
I have something.
No, it's not cool.
You have a pole dancer? What?
I'm very sorry.
What? Oh my goodness! How could this be? This cannot be. All my sacrifice would be
Ano sabi sa libaw?
Right now,
I'm very sorry.
I work day and night just for you. Right now, oh my daughter, I will not accept you as my son. Go away.
So my son. Daughter.
As my daughter, go away. From this house. Leave me alone.
Sa next anak nila. Green team yung last.
Red.
Red.
Isang siya sa'yo.
Ikaw lang.
Kani go, teacher Empire no. Ang candidates sa Hawaiian dance. Duha na ka team. Sa pagkahuman, talent na po. Tapos sa Hawaiian na po, duha lang gihapon ka team.
Ito, ito.
Teacher Empire, sa Hawaiian dance. Pero duha lang ka team. Sunod, teacher Empire. Sunod, Hawaiian. Yung dance na. Wala ka team. Malang.
Dua lang ka team.
Orange o pink. Orange o pink. Tapos talent na sa mga candidates. Tapos sa Hawaiian na po duha. Blue o red.
Man, teacher na lang po.
Dili. Isang solo.
Dua lang kanin teacher atayan.
Dili. Tanan.
Tanan, tanan. Yakan yung Hawaiian.
Hawaiian lang.
Dua lang. Man, talent.
Tanan. Tanan kandidata.
Human, balik na po sa Hawaiian. Katong natong duha nga nabilin. Human, susunod.
Close, open, close.
Close daw niya gyud.
Open. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. It's banana. Another. 1, 2, 3. It's anak. I will show you this. 1, 2. It's a baby. Pretty baby.
Wow, it's a boy. It's a boy. Wow. Oh, baby. So good.
It's my daughter now, okay? Our grandson is okay.
Grandson.
Come here. Come here.
I know it's all my fault.
It's okay, like me. From now on, I'll forgive you. I also forgive. Sorry so much, daughter Lucia.
Father, I'm very sorry. I love you, Father, from the bottom of my heart.
From my bottom also my heart, Sally.
I love you so much.
I love you.
Main values of this communal state is forgiveness. According to Nick Berg, always forgive but never forget. Learn from your mistakes and never regret. Every one of us, let's forgive one another. And also, because forgiveness is the final form of love. That's all.
Thank you so much. So, aside from that, sometimes we need to be hurt in order to know, fall in order to grow, and lose in order to gain. Because life, greatest lesson is trophy. That's what you'll think there.
Last year for the comical skill, may I call on the color red to present their comical skill. A round of applause, please.
Draw. Red team.
Okay, sige. Next time.
Hey, Justin, how are you?
Man na.
Hey, Justin, how are you?